Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. Okay, so we've got a 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. Okay, so what we've installed is a front dash camera. As you can see, I'll show you better from the inside anyway. So it's a Q800PRO, one channel. Okay, also bearing in mind it's got no rear windscreen, guys. But if you did want a rear commercial one, we do have that as well. We've also added a parking camera at the back. So we've got the original brake light there. So we've replaced it there. Okay, it's been replaced with a camera as well. And yes, it's a fully functional brake light, just like the factory brake light would work as well. The factory brake light is actually a bulb. We've replaced that with an LED, so it's a lot more brighter, a lot more visible at night as well. So I'll show you how it works, guys. So the way the concept of this works, as obviously you pop it in reverse, you get a visual of the back, you see what's behind you. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll pop it into reverse, and you should be able to see the image right there, guys. That's the back end there. Alright, take it out of reverse, image goes. As you put it back into reverse, guys, and you've got about a 2-second delay. Obviously it's got to travel down the line, the trigger's got to be activated. Just take it out of reverse. Now obviously, like I said, I'll show you the front dash cam as well. That's the Thinkware, the Q800PRO one channel, guys. This has parking mode. It's got what else has it got? Speed camera detection. It tells you where the speed cameras are. It also tells you mobile police hotspots as well, where they sit there and get you with a speed gun. And it also has motion detection as well, guys. So if you've got a Vauxhall Vivaro, VW Transporter, whatever you got, you want a reversing camera done, guys, let us know. Okay, or hashtag us at Car Sound Secure on Instagram. Drop us a message on YouTube, or you can give us a call directly on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554, or send us an email at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thanks for watching, guys.